Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're starting by removing the AirPods Pro from your Apple ID so they stop showing up in Find My. First, make sure they're charged and within range of your iPhone or iPad. Open Settings, tap Bluetooth, then find your AirPods in the device list. Once located, tap the Information button. This is where you begin the unpairing and deregistration process. Doing this now prevents automatic relinking and ensures the next steps will remove tracking associations cleanly. Now you'll remove the AirPods Pro from both Bluetooth and your Apple ID so tracking ends. Tap Forget this device and confirm to unpair from Bluetooth immediately. Next, go to Settings, tap your name, then Find My, check Accessories and remove the AirPods entry to deregister them from iCloud. If Apple asks, enter your Apple ID password. This confirms ownership and prevents accidental removal by others. Once done, your AirPods are no longer linked to your account and won't appear in Find My. Finish by factory resetting the AirPods Pro to clear local pairing data. Close the lid, hold the setup button until the LED flashes amber then white, and then reconnect only if needed. After that, double-check Settings Bluetooth and Find My to confirm they're gone. If they still appear, sign out of iCloud on your device, reboot, and repeat the removal steps. This resolves lingering account sync issues. One troubleshooting tip: if the AirPods remain linked, removing them via iCloud. COM under devices often clears stubborn records.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.